We're back with another knife review. Today we're going to be talking about the Civivi Little Fiend. Comes in 3 varieties: black G10, orange G10, and gray G10. We have the black one here for you today. Of course, they all come with their knife pouch and their cleaning cloth. Patented we and Civivi. Things that always come with them. Alright, give you a little close up there. This knife is the perfect size for most people. It is 7 inches overall. Blade length is 3, handle is 4. Blade thickness is 0.12. It is a D2 blade with a hollow grind. Reversible tip-up pocket clip, satin finish on the blade. Of course, it's plain blade. I mentioned earlier that the handle material was G10. Only weighs 2.8 ounces. It is a manual flipper. Very smooth. It is a liner lock, so you just reach down in there and close it up. Has a lot of contouring to it in different places. It all serves a purpose. So you can see here, the handle is contoured for your first 2 fingers and your last 2. Now I have a large hand, but you can see that the knife will still fit all 4 of my fingers. Not completely, but close. 3 probably better. Has jimping on the top, which I like, so when you're cutting on something down, you can come in like this for a precision cut, or like this, and the flipper stud pops out to block your hand from sliding forward. It also has a large choil area, which I like. If you want to be more precise in cutting something, you can hold the knife just like this and cut very easily. Alright, let's show you how it cuts. We'll start off with a little paracord. As you can see, it cuts very quickly and smoothly. Even in pullback, you can see how clean of cut that was. There is absolutely no fraying whatsoever on that cut. Let's grab some cardboard. This is a Civivi D2, so it's going to cut smoothly, quickly. It's going to do well in piercing cuts due to the drop point blade. It's not you have all the control you want of a 2-ounce knife. So it cuts nicely, accurately. I just like to make a mess. So go ahead and clean that off. So once again, this is the Civivi Little Fiend, black, gray, and orange. D2 blade, can't beat that. Has a very comfortable handle in G10. One thing I like about it is the pocket clip doesn't get in your way. It actually is made in a downward direction there, where you can rest your fingers on it if you want to really get a good grip on it. And if you're doing it from this direction, it sits neatly in your last 2 fingers. Very nice knife, very well thought out when it was made. I'm sure it's would be a knife you could carry and use for a long time. They also use cutouts in the stainless steel frame inside to really cut down on this knife's weight. I mean, there are a lot of them in there. I can see at least 4, maybe 5 on each side. So once again, if you're watching on Instagram. Make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do a lot of giveaways, reviews, post lots of knife pictures, things that go on with just Jewel. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show that goes over new knives and knives of the different brands, and as well we post lots of reviews. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.